Hello students, welcome back to my channel Shiksha by Ratika. So in this class I'm gonna tell you about class 11th chemistry VSEPR. So what is the full form for VSEPR? Do you know? Okay, so here it is: valence, shell, electron, pair, repulsion theory. I repeat, it's valence, shell, electron, pair, repulsion theory. So what do you mean by valence or valency? So in this video I'm gonna give you some example about the shapes. Like we have lot of shapes: trigonal, bipyramidal, octahedral, tetrahedral. So valency is what? It's capacity of an atom to give a set sheer electron to achieve the octet store. Octet means 8 electrons complete. So hydrogen, it takes 1. Valency of chlorine 287. 7 is the valency for chlorine or other halogens like fluoro, chloro, bromo, iodo. So 7 is the valency. For sodium it's 281. So 1 is the outermost electron. So this one is the valency for sodium. Sodium symbol is Na. So you can see here there are a lot of shapes like linear 180-degree angles, trigonal, planar it's 120 degree, tetrahedral is 109. So again there is 124 trigonal, bipyramidal, and octahedral 90 degrees. So this is very important. You can learn these are some value for according to the shells like K shell, L shell, M shell, and fourth shell, which is known as your electron. So there are some rules for the question. So there is a very interesting trick for the point of JEE or NEET exam. Suppose you have a value which is less than 8 or equal to 8, you should divide it by 2. If the value is less than 56, then you can divide it by 8, or if it is greater than 56, then you have to divide it by 18. So let's take one more interesting example of ammonia, which means NH3. So what is the atomic number for nitrogen? As you know, it's 7. So what is the valence electron? It's 2, 5. So 5 is the valence electron. Okay, so 5 for hydrogen it is 1. So but number of atoms of hydrogen is 3 here. So multiply with 3. 5 plus 1 into 3 gives 8. Okay, so now divide 8 by 2 because the value is equal to 8. So it is divided by 2. Then you will get remainder 0 and answer is 4. So what is the shape for this? SE3. Here you can see number of bonds present between the nitrogen and hydrogen is 3, but there is SE3. So lone pair 4 minus 3 bond pair, and you will get 1 lone pair in this example of ammonia. So in my next video I'll give you some more questions. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe with others. Thank you.